Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick Calendly tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to add questions in Calendly so you can collect important information from people before your meeting. First, log into your Calendly account. On your home page, you'll see a list of your event types. Click on the event type where you want to add questions. A panel will appear on the right with customization options. Find more options and click it. Scroll down to the invitee form section, then select invitee questions. Here you can add new questions or edit existing ones. Think about what would help you prepare for the meeting, such as background details, goals, or specific topics the invitee wants to cover. Once you've entered your questions, review them for clarity. When you're happy with them, click Save Changes. Now, whenever someone books that event type, they'll see and answer your custom questions, helping you arrive better prepared and making your meetings more productive. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick Calendly guides.